Hello everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to address to the existing and prospective clients of Economical Host after 18 years of being in business. It is a matter of great honor and pride to express our gratitude to thousands of clients who have made us what we are today due to their continued faith in our services for all these years, even with so many big and small service providers around. It is due to the continued support and best wishes of our customers that we were able to survive and thrive for so long, even after facing great hurdles which any business faces during its maturing and evolving phase. It is really enthralling that today, with the help of digital media, which is a pertinent and an instant medium of interaction, our clients will be able to listen to our views and thus may develop more confidence in our services. It is an overwhelming experience to be face-to-face to our clients who have been a continued support to our services. Every service provider claims to be different, but I am quite sure that we were able to build a relationship of trust and confidence due to our unceasing commitment to offer best of services at all the times. With this intro, we are trying to inform and enlighten our customers that how we are different than others and how the industry is faring with lot of unfair trade practices followed by new and existing players trying to promote their business. As you all know that we are an accredited registrar of .in domain names, serving more than 10,000 domain names and are partners to few of the largest and most renowned data centers in USA. We have around 50 self-owned all these servers in USA and offer top-notch, fully managed cloud computing services. As on date, we can boast that there are very few service providers in India who can match us for our expertise and competence in our business. We introduced cPanel to India when the creator of cPanel was developing the software and was himself an employee of a data center in USA. We have proudly managed to gather an extremely loyal customer base wherein many of our clients have satisfactorily and with utmost content availed our services for more than a decade now and are yet continuing with it. Today, our industry is witnessing numerous unscrupulous and unfair practices wherein the customers are befooled and duped by camouflaging poor services with cheap prices. While these services and packages are not only inadequate, they are not even efficient enough to run small interactive websites. While there are many clients who inquire about buying the basic packages in place of the premium packages, little do they realize that these prices are inversely proportional to the load-bearing capacity of the servers. Cheaper the price, more is the load on the server. So clients ought to be aware of the fact that while the prices are getting reduced, either the servers are getting overloaded or there are some third-party softwares which are being used to curtail the resources allocated to the clients so that they would be unable to run their website as desired. This basic fact and factual remains unseen and untold to the customers. Imagine an aeroplane without an engine. Unlike other service providers, we never restrict the resources allocated to the client's website provided they offer well-defined packages segregated on our website in different format as per the type of website to be hosted. Like if one needs to host a simple HTML-based website, then he should offer our basic package, or otherwise, depending upon the client requirement, he should offer package meant to host CMS-based website or popular open source code scripts like WordPress, OpenCart, Drupal, etc. While our industry standardizes to host approximately 500 to 800 websites per server, our company practices not to host more than 300 to 400 websites per server, maybe lesser as per the package opted for by the clients. Our selfless policies are focused to minimize the number of complaints from the customers and remain in the benefit of the client by optimizing our business in such a way that our servers work at less than 50% of their capacity. Our strength lies in our three major rules of thumb: our experience, our honesty, and our pledge not to cheat the customers. While most of you do not realize that majority of the hosting providers have their business drawn by the objective to offer cheap products in the initial years and increase the price manifold in the subsequent years by upgrading the packages, our company focuses on providing the best possible and fully managed services and resources so that at the need of the hour, when you are in distress, you are not left stranded with your search for the solutions. For me to elaborate and you to understand better, let me exemplify it. When a customer avails VPS from us, we by default install all the needed PHP libraries, modules and tweak the server for maximum security. So even when you need some sort of modification or installation of popular PHP modules or any third-party software like WordPress, OpenCart, Drupal and around 300 ready-to-install scripts, everything is already included within our services by installation of Softaculous and tweaking of web server. With thousands of websites, including some of the renowned portals of India, corporate websites and SMEs hosted on our server, our company strengthens on our understanding about the customer's requirements due to our 18 years of presence, knowledge and stronghold in the industry. Another prevalent tactic of most of the hosting providers is to not offer fully managed solution, and if they do, either they call it managed or semi-managed but not fully managed. At the time of need, they charge a hefty amount for few basic services. On the contrary, our VPS are provisioned with SAS or SSD drive in RAID 10 format configured to take daily external backup for no extra charge and are really managed with default installation of firewall and software like Softaculous. In case of shared hosting, our packages are not curtailed by limiting your resources using third-party softwares, where the resources offered to the customers are bare minimum and eventually they need to compromise on the performance or need to upgrade at a later date. We offer different packages to different clients depending upon their need and requirements, varying from a WordPress website, a CMS, a shopping cart or any popular open source code. Why we are clear and do not misguide is due to the fact that we are a native service provider and do not want even a single customer to blemish our 18 years of hard work because of couple of thousand rupees. Buyers need to understand the basic fact that for us each and every customer, may it be new or existing, carries huge importance and value. Unlike the other providers, for all those customers who do not have an in-depth knowledge of web technology, our company provides consultation. What comes as an added benefit to the customer is that we even help them earn money through internet by providing them turnkey solutions wherein they become affiliates to the major ad networks in India. In place of freely available but tedious and abstruse CMS, we offer a web designing software using which one can create unlimited websites, the best feature being its ease of operation and understanding. Economical Host gives one-to-one support wherein the customers are relieved from moving in circles around the channels of corporate hierarchy. In fact, unlike most of the companies, our company has its senior staff and the CEO a call away. Another point I would like the viewers to pay heed to is the fact that web developers as of now offer shopping systems, blogs, forums and numerous other websites which are built on open source codes which are completely unfit as per the Indian environment. Considering their coding complexity and database architecture, which leads to a great amount of load on servers and slow opening of websites, thereby causing slower connectivity at the user end. Taking note of this, if the customers want, we can guide them to few reasonably priced softwares and scripts which can help them run their business with utmost ease and competence. Also from 1st February onwards, you can visit our website called www.freebies.link, wherein we would be offering free stuff worth hundreds of dollars to all our customers buying any service from us. Subsequently, we will continue to bring in more and more freebies on weekly basis in order to give our customers much more than what they have spent with us. What comes as a prime and highlighted point considering the current scenario is that we are diversifying into social media marketing and thus can help our customers to promote their business through various social media websites and tools for small consideration. We can help our customers in creation of Facebook pages, Twitter accounts or creating mobile apps for a pretty small consideration. We can not only help our customers reach their target segment through newsletter and mailers, but also assist them with whatever knowledge we have gathered from years of existence from being in web hosting business. Before I sign off, I would like to enlighten all those putting up in Delhi that we are initiating a project by hosting 200 websites in the name of various Delhi colonies, zones, industrial areas and commercial hubs, where we can get your business listed and websites promoted for no extra charge as long as you are our customer. Hope to see you on the other side and have the privilege of being your host and online service provider. Thank you.